Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Introduction to Jira. Jira is a test tool. See, we have two types of test tools in software testing: automation tools and management tools. Jira is a management tool like ALM, formerly Quality Center. Jira doesn't interact with our software applications. Next, automation tools. For example, Selenium is automation tool. It interacts with our AUT, application under test, for functional testing. Next, JMeter, performance test tool, interacts with our applications. See, functional test tools and performance test tools, API test tools will interact with our software applications. But management tools like ALM, formerly Quality Center, Jira, etc. tools won't interact. These tools, Jira like management tools only for documentation, requirements management, test case management, defect reporting, defect management, etc. Management tasks. See, data entry, next report generation, etc. No programming. See, come to this one. What is Jira? What is Jira? See, Jira is a commercial tool. It is not an open source tool. It is commercial tool. First topic in this theoretical video, Jira. What is Jira? Jira is an incident management tool. It is used for project management, bug tracking, issue tracking, and workflow. Next, Jira. Jira is a web application. Suppose Selenium is desktop application, UFT, formerly QTP, is desktop application, JMeter is desktop application, but actually Selenium is not desktop. Selenium doesn't have UI, user interface. Selenium is only API, application programming interface, but using Eclipse IDE like IDE, we can use Selenium. Most of the test tools, UFT, RFT, next JMeter, load runner are desktop applications, one-tier applications, but Jira is web application. ALM, test management tool from Micro Focus, that is also web application. Godzilla, defect management tool, that is also web application. Okay, our Jira is a web application. It supports client server architecture. Jira was written in Java technology. It was initially released in 2002. Jira, as of now, 20 years old. Okay, it was initially released in 2002 by Atlassian that allows bug tracking and agile project management. Next point, Jira software name is a truncation of Gojira, the Japanese word for Godzilla. Next, Jira is a cross-platform, means it supports different or various operating environments. You can deploy Jira on Windows, Linux, Macintosh, etc. operating systems. Jira is a cross-platform and web-based project management tool. When launched in 2002, Jira was purely issue tracking software targeted at software developers. The app was later adopted by non-IT organizations as a project management tool. Next, I already told, Jira is a commercial tool and it is available as a trial version for a limited time. Jira provides a free license for academic projects. Next, Jira supports various languages like English, French, German, Japanese, Spanish, etc. So it is called a multi-lingual tool. It supports various languages to write documentation, to write documents. Okay. Next, second point in this, what is that chapter? Introduction to Jira. Second point, uses of Jira. Uses of Jira. Originally, Jira was designed as a bug and issue tracker. But today, Jira has evolved into a powerful work management tool for all kinds of use cases, from requirements and test case management to agile software development. See, observe uses of Jira, uses of Jira tool, test management tool, project management tool. Jira for requirements and test case management. Jira for agile teams. Jira for project management teams. Jira for software development teams. Jira software for DevOps teams. DevOps stands for development and operations. Next, Jira for product management teams. Jira for task management. Next, Jira for bug tracking. Next, third point in this chapter, introduction to Jira tool. Jira key terms, issues, key terms of Jira issues. A Jira issue refers to a single work item of any type or size that is tracked from creation to completion. Next, projects. A project is quite simply a collection of issues that are held in common by purpose of context. Next, boards. A board in Jira software is a part of project that displays issues, giving teams a flexible way to view, manage, and report on work in progress. Next, workflows. Workflows represent the sequential path an issue takes from creation to completion. Next, agile. Agile is not a Jira software specific term. It is a work philosophy that organized in the software development field and has since expanded to a variety of other industries. Next, fourth topic in this chapter, introduction to Jira tool, features of Jira. Features of Jira. See, first one, here no sequence. Jira contains n number of business project templates to manage simple tasks as well as complex tasks like workflow. Next, Jira supports agile Scrum methodology and Kanban boards. Jira supports agile Scrum and Kanban boards. Next, Jira supports many reports to track the progress of a task over a specific time frame, deadlines, individual contribution, etc. Next, Jira features. Jira contains more than 100 add-ons to connect with different software so that the work becomes easy. Jira supports more than 10 languages already discussed, such as English, French, German, Portuguese, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, and Russian for writing documentation. Next, Jira is also available as mobile application. Jira is also available as a mobile application, which makes it easy to stay connected with the team with notifications, comments, and project activity. Next, fifth topic in this chapter, Jira scheme. Jira scheme. A Jira scheme is a collection of configured values that can be used by one or more Jira projects. For example, a notification scheme describes who receives email when issues are changed. Who receives email when issues are changed. Next, sixth topic in this video. What is this video? Introduction to Jira tool. Okay, a Jira project. A Jira project contains issues. Jira project can be called a collection of issues. See once again this point carefully. A Jira project can be called a collection of issues. A Jira project can be of several types. For example, software development project, various Jira projects. Software development project, marketing project, migration to another platform project, help desk tracking project, leave request management system, employee performance system, website enhancement. Next, last point, last topic in this video, Jira issues. Jira is a project management tool and uses issues to track all the tasks. An issue helps to track all works that underlie a project. See, there are three types of issues. First one, Jira core default issue types. Jira core default issue types. In this first one, two types of issues: task, subtask. Next, second one, Jira's second category, Jira software default issue types. In this category, story, bug, epic, three types of issues. Next, third one, Jira service desk default issue types. In this subcategory, we have four types of issues: incident, service request, change, problem. See once again, first Jira core default issues, task, subtask. Next, Jira software default issue types, story, bug, epic. Next, last subcategory, Jira service desk default issue types, incident, service request, change, problem.